Welcome everyone, I'm Ashu Khanna, faculty at IIT Roorkee, and I work in the areas of finance, ESG sustainability, carbon markets and social responsible investing. Today I'm pleased to introduce our certificate program in sustainable finance and ESG investing, developed in collaboration with experts from IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi. As we all know that nowadays climate change, resource scarcity and carbon emissions as well as government failures and social inequality are increasingly affecting business risk, investment returns and long-term growth. Sustainable finance helps organizations look beyond these short-term profits and make decisions that create value for business, society and the environment. This specialized program is designed to integrate sustainability into project appraisal, credit assessment, audit procedures, lending decisions, investment analysis, and climate risk evaluation. It is relevant for professionals working in banks, NBFCs, insurance companies, consulting firms, fintech firms, regulatory bodies, development institutions, and corporates, as well as for policymakers, academicians, researchers, students, and aspiring finance professionals. The program is delivered over 16 weeks through 8 comprehensive modules. Each weekend includes 3 hours of interactive lectures and 1 hour of applied learning through case studies, assignments, tutorials, and MCQs. Sessions are held on Saturdays and Sundays and are led by faculty members and industry experts. The course begins with the fundamentals of ESG, including its evolution, the relationship between CSR, ESG and impact investing, and the ecosystem of reporting framework, rating agencies, and sustainable investment forums. Participants will then learn risk assessment and measurement, including ESG data, scoring models, and ESG rating systems. The program also covers ESG-related financial products such as ESG mutual funds, green bonds, social bonds, and sustainable insurance products. We will also learn about carbon credits and carbon markets, along with the role of fintech in driving sustainability. Participants will further learn how to integrate ESG in project appraisal through DCF models, cost of capital, equity and bond valuation, scenario analysis and stress testing. The course also includes ESG integration in portfolio management. Participants will also gain exposure to ESG reporting, internal audit, Indian and global regulatory frameworks, as well as greenwashing. The program concludes with the capstone project involving practical implementation and project evaluation, allowing participants to apply their learning to real-world scenarios. By the end of the program, participants will develop practical and industry-relevant skills in ESG analysis, project appraisal, credit assessment, climate risk modeling, portfolio management, sustainable lending, fintech applications, carbon markets, and ESG reporting and regulatory compliance. These skills will improve employability, support career advancement, and help participants stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field of sustainable finance.